Hello guys, it's another day we meet here to my channel, and don't forget it's your boy DeSantos here. So guys, first thing, subscribe to my channel, share my video to your family, to your friends, to your dad, to your neighbors, and like my video. Don't forget to like my video. And last thing, subscribe, but subscribe is first thing. So guys, do anything to my channel. As you can see guys, we are here and we have met today again. So let me show you what I have to show you. Guys, as you can see, all of this farm is not a farm of NC mtu mmoja. So guys, today I want to show you a maize if it's still at the garden. So let me show you. As you can see, this is maize. This is maize. This is maize. And this is beans. Beans, guys. I know you know what is beans. This is beans. And this is maize. This is maize, guys. This is beans at the garden. So guys, and all of this garden is a garden of government. So it's farm of government. So if you can, if you want to come here and to plant your things here, you must ask government like if you can plant, and government if they are allow you to do anything to this farm, you will. And if you see all of that, all of those plots, they are it's free to build them here. It's free, guys, it's free. So I want to go there at least to show you what's going on there, and to show you those all of plots are there. So guys, you stay tuned. You just stay tuned. Let me go randomly by randomly. Guys, we are going randomly by randomly. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's your boy DeSantos here. I am DeSantos. Guys, invite your friends, guys, to my channel, at least them to watch my video. You know guys, you can't come here and to start construct your plot here. That if you must, first thing you must ask government. So guys, I'm here, and remember I was there, down there. So let's go randomly by randomly. Guys, as you can see, there are some people pray here. They trust in God, that God is here. As you can see, they trust in God. They trust in their heart that God is here. So if you trust that God is here, so more people comes here to, they trust that when they come here, God, Mungu anawasaidia haraka. God anasikia maneno yao haraka. So guys, as you can see, all of these farms, all of this, and even this plot, guys, even this plot, it's too big, but you can, guys, you can come here and start construct your plot here. You can come here and starting your job here to build any plot here, and government, they will not find you that there are some issues. No, you can do anything. It's free, but first thing you must ask government. They will allow you to build your plot here. So guys, let's continue going. Let's continue. I want to show you a good thing today, guys. and nice. So I think here I can find some small snakes. Those small snakes, guys. So guys, as you can see, there are some, and there I see Kasarani, the big stadium of Kenya. I see it there. I see it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I think hata kama watu even people they're trying to construct their plots here, to build their plots here, you must clean it. You must, this plot, it must be clean. It must be clean. Huh? Guys, as you can see, guys. So this plot, when I remember I was in class 6, guys, this plot, it was when I was class 6, it was 20 something, 2020 something, 2016. Here there is no anything, there is no here. But now I see people have started to build their plots here, to do their things here. But guys, I've told you that it's free. You can come and your steels, your bricks, your cement, guys, and your pipes to start your job here, to start to build your house here. So guys, as you can see, and guys, what I want, I can't continue post my video, continue do what I'm doing without you. So what I want is your support. You support me, you do anything you can do to my channel. Guys, please, I've said that invite your friends, invite your dad, invite your cousins to my channel. Tell her that I find a good channel from Kenya. Guys, from Kenya. This video is coming live from Kenya. Don't forget, it's coming live from Kenya. Guys, I forget something, people here, something important thing here. Guys, as you can see, this plant, like I can say, you can remove them out here, but it's like in Kiswahili we say that ni dawa. So in English we call it it's a medicine of stomach. When when your stomach are like, how can I say, in Kiswahili we say ni mbaya, kama tumbo yako inakuuma, guys, you can take this plant and go wash it and to put in sufuria, guys, in sufuria. So I sufuria, in English I think it's sufuria. Sufuria in Swahili say sufuria. So in English, when I will remember, I will told you guys, I will show you. But if you take this plant and go with it and put in like to something to boil it or to boil it, so, and or you can take her water, like when you like, let me take some one leaf here. So guys, like this leaf, you can, guys, this leaf you put in your mouth, unaitafuna, so stomach it will stop. So guys, it's more here, guys. You can come every day here and take it, so stomach it will stop. So guys, yesterday I was down there. Let me try to zoom that place. I was down there, guys. Stay tuned to this channel. I will show you more, guys. I will show you more. Yesterday I was down there. I was down there. There. Here, guys. I was there. So, guys, I want to finish my video. Guys, I want to finish my video, and anything you will want me to show you, I will show you. As this, even this wall, guys, even this wall, people, the guy of this plot, they're not here, but they sent their foreman to come to start build their plots here. But I see, as you can see, there are some plots. That plot, haiwezi endelea. It can't continue. They can't continue build because they don't have an idea or money. So first thing, you find your money, and if you'll get, come and start constructing your project. So guys, I don't know English very well, but guys, anything I will go wrong, you will correct me. So guys, the big thing I want, and I want you to help me, you comment to my video what I have do bad. Comment to my video, tell me that here you have do bad, here don't do this again. So guys, stay tuned. Tomorrow I will post another video, guys. Comment to my video, share my video, like my video, share my video, guys. Like my video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.